In North America, if the teaching of grammar has fallen out of favor, the diagramming of sentences has fallen even further out of favor. However, diagramming a sentence can help us to distinguish between the core of a sentence and the rest of a sentence. Hi, this is Thomas from Cozy Grammar, and the single most useful thing about diagramming a sentence is precisely that it shows us the core of a sentence. This core goes on a horizontal line or baseline, and everything else goes underneath it. For example, the solid and sturdy dock is standing solidly and sturdily. This may look like a complicated sentence, but watch how a sentence diagram makes things clearer. First, we identify the main subject, which in this case is dock, and the main predicate, which is the verb phrase is standing. We can then take things from there. In a sentence diagram, only the main subject and main predicate go above the baseline. Dock and is standing. Verb phrases such as is standing, by the way, are treated as a single unit in a sentence diagram. Everything else from the sentence goes below the line. The article the adjectives solid and sturdy, and the coordinating conjunction and on a dotted line between solid and sturdy all go under the main subject. The adverbs solidly and sturdily, and the coordinating conjunction and on a dotted line between solidly and sturdily, all go under the main predicate. This separation of the core of the sentence above the line and everything else below the line is the single most useful thing that a sentence diagram can show us. It's like separating what's above and below a ferry dock. Both matter, but they matter in different ways. What questions do you have about how sentences work? Feel free to share them in a comment or through our website, cozygrammar.com. We'll make your understanding sturdy too.